Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make simple syrup. Simple syrup is the fancy name for sugar water. All ingredients in there are just sugar and water. That's all it is, okay? So instead of running out of the store and buy a bottle, you can make it yourself. Okay, I didn't, I was kind of lazy today. I was going to go out and actually I did. I drove to the store and buy one. But the line out the door was ridiculous, and right now we have limited access to the store also because of the coronavirus things, so I decided to go ahead and go home and make it and show it to you guys also. Like the name said, it's simple, and it is simple. So it is ingredients in there, it's just sugar and water. So there's three types. The one is for thin, medium, and thick. The thin is usually made for, people mix it up to make cakes and cookies. And the medium one is for iced tea and fruit juice and stuff. And the thick one is for cocktails, okay? This formula is relatively, actually it's very simple also, okay? If you want a thin one, it's 3 part water, 1 part sugar. Medium is 2 to 1, and thick is 1-to-1 ratio, okay, between water and sugar. So what I have here is 1 cup of sugar. I'm gonna make a medium, so I'm gonna put in this pot. Okay, I'm gonna get now I have 1 part of that, so I'm gonna get 2 parts of water. Okay, all right, let me get some water here. 1 cup is 8 ounces, okay? So, but anyway, if you don't have a Pyrex cup like I do, a measuring cup, you do 2-to-1 ratio. If you do 1 part of 1 cup of anything, 1 part of sugar is 2 parts of water. If you want to make a medium. If you want a thick, you do 1-to-1. If you want a thin, you do 3-to-1 ratio, okay? Now I'm gonna put it up on the heater and on the stove and stir it and make sure all this dissolve and let it cool, and then you store it in the fridge, and then you can mix it with your iced tea or whatever juice you like, okay? So that's pretty much it, okay? Let me go ahead and do that and show you the after effect. I'm here on the stove, I'm just gonna stir it, and I'm gonna heat it up and keep stirring until everything is dissolved, and the water should be clear. After that, that's just simple syrup. So like I said, it's nothing to it. It's just water and sugar. And some people like to have flavor in it. They have orange zest and whatever flavor you want to put on there, you can actually put some flavor in there. Some people have put peppermint in there, orange, you name it, they have it out there too. So, but a lot of them are synthetic. So if you want to, organic, you want to put some real stuff in there. But I'm just gonna make a simple one with just sugar and water. Okay. So the sugar is gonna dissolve, and for a little bit, it's gonna become clear again, and that's you are done. Okay. Oh, here we go. See, this water's getting clearer, I think. Yep, it is getting clearer. You see? So it's kind of cloudy. The reason why it's just the sugar is all dissolved. That's all it is. Okay. And now the water is clear again. I know my the light I have is kind of orangey, so it's gonna look kind of like that. But you can tell it's clear again. Okay, because the water's dissolved already. And just let it cool. You see that? Water's clear again. And let it cool and you all set. There you go, guys. That's how you make simple syrup. If you have any question, comments, or advice, please leave in the comments below. I appreciate it. And I appreciate your taking time to leave a comment down below and hit the subscribe button with the little bell. Okay, for more videos. Thank you, guys, and have a great day. Bye-bye now. See ya.